Plainfield, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Just research it. And hold on.
So what do you think, bud?
Very, very, very good. I'd say 9.5 out of 10.
Oh, really? Tell us some of the things that you like about it.
It's very stretchy cheese. You can watch it being cooked.
That is pretty cool. You don't get to do that much anymore, do you?
And they're actually pretty kind of quick.
They were kind of quick. Now, check out those breadsticks. Homemade.
Also made out of leftover dough from your pizza.
What do you think about the breadstick?
Delicious.
Delicious?
A lot of the ends have a little bit of a crunchy bit, but I think it's pretty good overall.
Mm-hmm. I would agree. We found this place just searching on the internet, and it turned out to be a little gem, didn't it?
Pretty quick. Actually, for how tiny the place is, it makes some really good food.
I would have to agree. For how tiny, it makes delicious food.
And they're always fresh, every time.
Yep. We were just talking to the guy who made it, and he said all the ingredients are fresh and everything's made to order. So it's just a delicious little pizza place in the middle of Plainfield, Indiana, huh?
Well,
All right.
bye.
Bye.